Lisa.
Thank you, that's being taped.
Hello, my name is Iris Land. I was born November 1st, 1960. I was not alive, but I didn't. Catch me, catch me. Gordon is big. Gordon is blue. Thomas, the engine tank, is blue too. I am fast and you are slow. I will race you. Go, go, go. You will not catch me. You are too slow. Catch me, catch me. Go, go, go. I will catch you. I will, I will. Even over a big, big hill. Here is a bridge. Slow down, slow down. Can Thomas catch Gordon? Go, go, go. Over the bridge. Gordon is fast. Gordon is fast. And Thomas is last. Here is a stop. Slow down. Slow down. Go slow. Catch me, catch me. Go, go, go. Up the hill. Will Gordon stop? No, not even at the top. Here comes Thomas up the hill. I will catch you. I will, I will. Down comes Gordon, down the hill. Catch me, catch me. I will, I will. Catch me if you can. But Thomas has a big, big plan. Will Thomas go up to the top? Thomas the tank engine comes to a stop. Look, a tunnel for me. A tunnel Gordon did not see. I may be slow, you may be fast, but I am first and you are last. The end.